What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, so please consider subscribing and hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video. In today's video, I'll be sharing making up to $30 per hour. That's right, $30 per hour by literally watching simple videos and giving your opinion on it. I will also be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so be sure to watch the whole thing. And yeah, it's pretty easy steps to enter. Best of luck. Let's get started. So the first website that we'll be looking at would be User Testing. So they're pretty well known, and the sign up process is pretty straightforward. You start by your email address, agree to some terms and conditions, the good stuff. And then how it works is once you sign up, you would do a practice test, and then from there you would give feedback on products that you love and use on a daily basis. From there you would get paid. 3 simple steps. You would earn up to $10 for every 20-minute test you complete, and for interviews they do pay more. And also a lot of big brands look for their service and trust their quality, right? And 3 million tests have been taken, 1.2 million payments have been paid to participants in 2019, and 35,000 brands have been influenced. They do have positive reviews here. Their softwares like the Chrome extension works great. Earn money on your own schedule, right? So it's pretty amazing if you are someone that's looking to make extra money on the side, right? And one thing would be you just need to be patient a bit more to find tests that you qualify for. They're one of the leading brands in terms of user testing, like I said earlier. And let's jump into the next one here. Let's say if they allow you to have 3 tests or so, you can find additional tests on this website here, Userlytics. You get paid to test websites and apps, right? Register and earn money by completing short and easy form on this page and join our global community. And then step 2 would be interact with the web or mobile apps or other types of digital assets. Speak your thoughts and emotions out loud as you do so, and answer a few questions. User testing is fun, right? And then you would get paid via PayPal. Also, these guys do pay via PayPal. I'm not sure if I had mentioned that earlier. So you need to just create a PayPal account if you don't have one already, and you start making money. Right, guys? So this is amazing opportunity for anyone that's looking to make money with no upfront investment, and reinvest that money into a course or start up an online business, such as affiliate marketing, drop shipping, you name it, right? Whatever you're into. So these guys do pay via PayPal. Like I said, once your test results have been approved, depending upon the user test project you have, you can be paid up to 5, 10, 15, and 20 or other amounts. Some of our project pay as much as $90. Guys, $90. That can't get any easier than this. You just have to stick with it, be patient to get to this level, right? You just sign up with your email address, confirm that you're 16. Yeah, no, it's pretty amazing stuff, guys. Alright, guys, so let's actually review this third site here. It pretty much works the same way as user testing as well as Userlytics. They pay $10 per test, and each test could last 10 to 20 minutes. It can be completed on your home computer or smartphone. And to sign up is pretty straightforward. You would just click on that button over there and then go to the sign up process. You would get approved in about a week or 2 maximum, and then from there on test would become available to you. And yeah, So let's see. Okay, yeah, they would pay via PayPal, they say here. If you don't have one, you may go to PayPal and sign up for an account, since that's the only payment method that they use to pay out the users. So, and then what else should we just go over here? Yeah, to register, you would just click on this link here, or either that, and when will my qualification get rated? It depends on how many people are applying, and like I said, it would take about 7 to 15 days. Yeah guys, so this is another site here just to give you more options, testing a site and giving their own opinion on it. So it's actually a good place to start if you just want to get the gist of it. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna try playing this video here. I'm just gonna mute it.
So I'm on this website here.
Okay, so she's on this website here. So she's looking at what stands out to her, and so she says this 50% off section there just kind of stands out to her. She just went on and clicked on that just to review that category. You're basically just looking and giving a feedback on how a site looks to you, and what you liked, what you disliked, what you would want to be added on. Yeah, so she's just searching for a black miniskirt. Yeah guys, so I'll just leave this one here. You may watch the whole video and get a good understanding of giveaway time. So to enter the giveaway, you just have to be a subscriber, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then smash the like button, then comment which site is your favorite so far, between user testing, user analytics, and user fill. Let me know which one you would want to get started with, essentially. And yeah, so those are the 3 steps pretty much. Let's keep it simple. The giveaway would be $20 to one lucky winner, and I will announce that on the next video. So best of luck, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.